Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm really thankful and grateful for getting so much of response. Well, I never expected it, because I was recording after a long time, and to ramble about myself, it just happened spontaneously because so many things on my head, right? And I can't believe, there were certain times I wanted everything to be in a rush and a hurry, but now it is like, let it be, even if it takes time, let things go slow. I would love to, there was this lovely feedback given by one of the Agulus 11. He said, keep speaking. There are some changes in his life. Then he has attracted the woman of his dream. So happy to see him, having a positive outlook. See, because I speak honestly, and I'm not saying I'm 100% right or I'm perfect. It's just out of experiences. And since I've interacted with a lot of males on every level, like na, so I know how they think, like how what is in their head. So it is not a man hating channel or a woman pro woman channel. I'm equally what to say, I speak in detail regarding women's issue also. It's not that I have to put down women to look good and bash men to look strong and independent. It's not so. Yes, I did have a lot of feminist views when I was younger. I was very much into it. I think it's because of our education, and our city life also gives us the. How's my lipstick? This is the cheapest lipstick I think I got, and I tried it after 5 months. So there are a couple of things which I just picked it up, like cheapest maybe less than 100, but the shade is looking so good. Sorry to deviate. What I'm trying to say is simple, like this is my mom's kurta. So I am wearing my mom's kurta, and I'm feeling good about it. It's like, do I miss her? It goes without saying, because जैसा तैसा भी रिश्ता था. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता था वो मेरी सास थी, मैं उसकी बहू थी. ऐसा खट्टा मिट्टा रिश्ता था. She couldn't do without me. She was always in my space, always. मैं आमरण अनशन पे बैठ जाती थी when I used to not speak to her. हाथ ही नहीं लगाती थी खाने को. वो भी क्या दिन थे. And that was during rainy seasons. I remember last year I was literally, काफ़ी टाइम हमारा ऐसा ही होता था. तुम I used to just have one meal a day, or just do something, or not eat, or just eat something. वो बना के रखती थी, but she would not say eat it. And I used to tell her, इतना क्यों बना रही है. I'm just giving example. जब वो इंसान होता है तो हमें समझ में नहीं आता है. वैसे भी as I said, I'll just give you a brief example of my change in diet, which I keep doing most of the times. And when I'm eating fresh food, like I prepared something, I'm eating fresh without keeping it in the fridge, I could see the marked difference because my body is detoxifying, right? So after that 1 week or 10 days of detoxification, even if I eat biscuit right now or any kind of artificial snack, I feel very uncomfortable, I feel very sluggish, I feel very irritable, because my system is not accepting it. So whatever fresh, if I make something, even if it is a 2 meal a day or 1 meal a day, and not keep it in the fridge and just consume it, it makes a lot of difference. And stick to 1 or 2 meals a day. Better to go fasting, better to have herbal teas, warm water with ginger. Ginger means freshly cut pieces, small pieces. Lime freshly squeezed, not the dip tea. Brewed tea, like proper, तुम उसको पकाते हो उस चाय को, वैसे वाला. Keep your life simple. Again and again I'm saying, keep your life simple. I was going through all these videos on YouTube. मेरा दिमाग अभी ऐसे सुन पड़ गया है. So I was just checking out these wholesale. I'm fond of all these accessories and all. Fond of. I don't collect it. मेरा एक आध चलते फिरते कुछ उठा लिया from the street vendor. और वेंडर्स जो बनाते हैं ना, आई हैव अ पर्सन, यहाँ पे एक पर्सन है, वो सिट्स नेक्स्ट टू द ज्वेलर एंड ही मेक्स थिंग्स. तो मैंने कुछ कस्टमाइज चीज़ें उससे बनाई थी, सस्ता और टिकाऊ. जो मेरे पास बीड्स थे, वट एवर अवेलेबल मटीरियल आई हैव विद माई सेल्फ, आई समटाइम्स पिक इट अप. चलते फिरते, लिटरली आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिस झुमकाज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम देयर. सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि एंड दी अमाउंट ऑफ वैरायटी, तुम क्या पहनोगे, लेटेस्ट का लेटेस्ट फैशन, लेटेस्ट का लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड. सो आई वाज जस्ट नम इन माई हेड थिंकिंग, कितना सजोगे या संवरोगे, तुम कितने एक्सेसरीज पहन सकते हो, तुम क्या क्या पहन सकते हो. तुम्हारा लुक एक्सेसरी पे ही नहीं है. यू हैव टू वेयर योर कुर्ताज और whatever your sarees और चूड़ीदार whatever you're wearing also has to match it. फिर तुम्हारा बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी वैसे शुड बी लाइक लाइकिंग ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी, ब्रास, कॉपर, स्टील, all this. Then I see a lot of spray painting happening on cheap material. So you have to be very they look good on the video, but we don't know how it is in real life, right? We don't know how they will be. मोस्ट ऑफ माई लिपस्टिक्स ऑल्सो विच हैव बॉट इट एट द स्प्लिट सेकेंड. जैसे मैं एक शॉप में घुस गई, मुझे एक ब्रांड पसंद आया, मे बी आई एम शॉर्ट ऑन कैश और आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग, आई विल राइट डाउन द दिस एंड आई बाय इट लेटर ऑन. सो देयर वाज दिस वन शुगर पॉप का ब्राइट रेड लिपस्टिक, which was really amazing, which I wore it in the functions. And couple of things, be in your budget and buy pieces which suit you. Just say, yeah, this goes well with everything, and these are the bangles which I got. $50, really? It is this cheap. Budget shopping. People feel shy, they think you're on social media, so you have to wear something very expensive. I said your content matters, what you speak matters, what is your message across to people matters. Okay, and as I said, I have changed my diet and I'm being more peaceful and more peaceful. I don't allow people to just obligation की तरह कि मुझे updates देने हैं. Sometimes I'm like अच्छी खासी नींद आ जाती है when your diet is simple. It's a fact. Nobody's life is perfect. If they are portraying it to be perfect on the photographs, it's not so. Right now I'm going to negotiate for some donations at my place. Whatever things I have to donate, I'm going for that. Whatever I have to dispose or something. I said I'll take my time. Another 31st December का deadline रखा है, and if it extends beyond that also, I don't mind. I'm going very slow with my work, even if it is there are gaps, because in the rainy season things do not dry up, this paint and this cement work. There's really construction happening all over my building. That is also happening inside, outside also. I opened the door and you know how it is, as I told you. Whatever doesn't match your energies currently will not be with you. तो तुम कितना भी कोशिश करो. I remember last month I was getting very angry, sad, upset about things not working my way in a certain direction. And I said, what am I doing? I was eating a lot of chocolate and chips. Now if I eat a bit of chocolate, I'll start getting acidity. It's a fact. I was eating bars. I used to take a whole bar of chocolate and eat. I used to take this big bags of chips and eat, which I normally don't do it, but I was doing it out of stress and anxiety. I said, how will I face this? How am I? It lasted for 20 days. Then I said, enough is enough. I have to come out of this. Literally, I was like this. I started preparing my meals, hot meals. I'll eat hot, cold bath. Sometimes I take cold bath if my second bath is a cold bath. Depends, because cold, I remember taking cold bath in South when I was that was 5 years ago. It used to be like ice cold, and I used to take bath in that ice cold because I was so used to cold water bath. and I used to get heavy cramps, like literal cramps. I said by the time वो सोलर वाटर का पानी आ जाए मैं तो मर जाऊँगी, बिकॉज वहाँ पे हर जगह सोलार लगा पड़ा है फॉर हीटिंग द वाटर. So I said I cannot handle that. So that is the reason why I used to take. Now here I avoid it because वो cramps are unbearable. So in case of emergencies, sometimes when I'm cooking and I'm like really want to freshen up, so yeah, I do that. Move out of the house, move out of the house. Even if you're not talking to people, it's okay. Keep a routine. It's not that you have to be strict. Sometimes I get up, I changed my this, I'll start having my herbal tea. Depends upon the season, depends upon the timing. You don't have to say pattar ki lakir. It is not written in stone that you have to do that way only. I wake up very early. I used to go for morning walks, but now I stop because of rainy season. Pach pach ho jata hai. But I have decided, let me see if I can make it from this month. But it's all really terrible. So yes, you have to change your routine also accordingly. यही नहीं कि यही करना है, productivity उसके पीछे नहीं लगना है. Sorry, the lights are dim. I'm sorry, but this is what you all will get right now. So please give me your feedback. Please tell me what topic to be spoken about, okay? Keep yourself fresh, keep yourself A1. That's all I want to say. Ginger. Warm water with ginger has helped me with the immunity. Otherwise, I would be sneezing, coughing, dying of all that. It's the guidance, divine guidance. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you all soon.